Hello students, this is question number 1 of IOQM 2025 and 26. The question says if 60% of a number x is 40, then what is x percent of 60? So this question is very easy and can be solved directly like 60% of x. This is going to be equal to 40, means 60 divided by 100 into x. This has been given equal to 40. So from here, I can get the value of x, that is going to be equal to 400 divided by 6. Now, once we got the value of x, then they are asking that x percent of 60 is. So x percent of 60 means this is x divided by 100 of 60 we need to calculate. X value we already know, that is equal to 400 divided by 6 and into 60 divided by 100. So these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled and this is going to get cancelled with 10. Therefore, we'll be getting the final answer that is going to be equal to 40, and the same is being mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.